Lesson 48, Pivot Sorting. In this lesson, we'll take a look at a couple of different ways to sort your pivot table. One is to right-click the field at the top of the pivot table field list, and the other method is as simple as dragging and dropping. So here we have a pivot table, customers going down the side, regions going across the top, and you'll notice that both customers and regions are presented in alphabetical sequence. Well, which customer do we really want to see at the top? The largest customer. But rather than coming here and choosing to sort using the A to Z or Z to A buttons, instead I want to set up a rule so that way the pivot table will remember that customers should always be sorted high to low by revenue. Now you'll notice that customer is in the pivot table field list twice, once in the drop zones at the bottom and once in the field list at the top. I want to hover over a customer in the field list at the top and choose More Sort Options. Here I can say I want to sort descending based on not customer, but sum of revenue. Click OK. And now you'll see that the largest customers appear at the top, going down to the smallest customers. This is not a one-time sort. If I later add fields in, Excel will remember that within those fields, for example, product first, I still see the largest customers at the top. And when I get down to the next product, it starts largest customers at the top. It's set up virtually a rule that will allow the pivot table to remember that fields should be sorted in that manner. Okay, now let's take a look at central, east, and west across the top. What if your company tradition says that east should be first? Well, there's no good way to do this. If you sort ascending, central comes first. If you sort descending, west comes first. Unless you can get your VP of sales to rename central to be middle, there's no way that one of the built-in sorts is going to work. You have a couple of options. You could set up a custom list with east, central, and west. I did this back in lesson 36, if you'd like to see that done. The other option is as simple as dragging and dropping. So I choose the east, go to the right edge, and I can drag it to a new location to say that, hey, east should be first, followed by central and west. And sure enough, when we do this, Excel moves all of the values that were associated with east along with the heading. So notice here we have 313,454. If I would move east to the end, sure enough, the 313,454 comes along. You can also simply just type. So if I come here and type east, Excel will move all of the columns, moving central and west over. A great way to very quickly sort. This is called the manual sort method, where you just simply drag and drop items into the new locations. Well, I hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than Live Lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live Lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.